like you ever felt.
Are you listening? Damn.
It's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I'm stuck in the corner. I am back with you with episode 4 of my look-alike eyeshadow and nail designs. I wanted to come in and try to do something kind of hard, and that was pretty much like pastels. So I have all of the nail polish and makeup in front of me, and as you've seen in the quick little tutorial slash glamour shots, not a tutorial, more like a glamour shot video, this is what I have done. So these are what my nails look like so far. I am loving the designs on this hand. We have mauve, blues, pinks, nude colors, and the thumbnail I kind of left clear. And they look shiny, but they're supposed to be matte. And this is the other hand. And as you can see, I keep my right hand nice and short because I am right-handed and I need to be able to use it. All right, so to not make this long, but it might be, let's go ahead and get started with the items that are a part of my nails. I have everything in this container right here, and I'm going to quickly as possible go through them. The first item I have is the UNT Peel Off Base Coat. I have polished off one of these already, and this is a brand new one. It helps me to remove my polishes very quickly and not dry my hands out by using acetone a lot. After doing that, I use 4 colors of OPI nail polish. Now this first color here is called You Don't Know Jacques. And let's see, can you see that? You Don't Know Jacques. And this is what that color looks like. And there is a swatch there for you. Very beautiful color. The next color that I have on my nails is Dulce de Leche. And that is what that looks like. And let me see. Dulce de Leche. Hopefully you can see that, because I can barely see y'all and I got glasses on. The next color I use is called Samoan Sand, and that's what that looks like. Samoan Sand. So let's try to get that focused. Okay. And the very last color, as far as having base colors on my nails, this is Taupe-less Beach, and the swatch wanted to fall off, so let me put that back. Taupe-less Beach, and let me let you see the back of that. Okay, so those are the colors. Then I decided to do a little bit of striping, and all 3 of these are my Kiss brush on nail stripers. We have this sky blue here, and it's called Soft Blue. Then I have this pearl gold as a striper, and the last color is soft purple, and that's what that looks like. I also use my Essie Luxeffects in Okay, can I see that? Sophia on top. Child, this is what that looks like. That glitter polish. And I do have that right there on my thumb. I used the ORLY matte top coat to give me some matte effects, but I oil my cuticles and it makes everything look shiny. And what I use is the California Mango Cuticle Oil. Love that stuff. For the rhinestones, I use my Krazy glue for the larger rhinestones. And then I use the Omega Lab brush-on glue for the smaller ones. Sometimes the larger rhinestones, they need a little bit of help, so you gotta do that. So for some of these, I use this nail wheel here, and I use these rhinestones here. They're just like clear iridescent type stones, and you can see that on my finger there. And then I use these rhinestones that you can see in the bottom of this jar. It's kind of hard to show any other way. They are not flat backs. They sit up pretty high. And as you can see on this nail here, you can see it sits up pretty high. But I do love how that looks. Now these are some items that you would have seen in my nail haul video. I wanted to go in ahead and try to use some of those. So I pulled out these rhinestones that I got from AliExpress. These are the jade color. This is the lavender. I also used pink. And then this one was like iridescent clear ones. Okay, so let's see. We're going to try to put some of this stuff back in here. So that is everything that I use for my nail art. I really thought it was pretty. Also, I thought it was going to be a bit difficult for me to try to recreate a eye look using these colors. And I am very happy to say that I did it! Yay! So on this tray right here, I have all of the makeup. So let me just quickly show you these nail designs once again. And the larger rhinestones came out of those ones I just showed you as well. And there you are. Okay, so for my face, let me take my glasses off, and hopefully I don't have eyeglass marks. And y'all, NueNew is blind. I can't see nothing. I'm going to zoom in and show you what it looks like. So here is my eyeshadow look, my lashes and a lower lash line, my blush and highlight, and my lips. Ta-da! I really hope I didn't have anything on my teeth while I did that. Okay, let's put these glasses back on so I can try to see a little bit of something. Okay, so before we get to the eyes, let me show you everything else that I use. My foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Shine Free Balance for combination skin. It is in 355 coconut, and that is the color. I have used this before and I really liked it, so especially during the spring, summertime, so I decided to pick it up again. I set my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, and that's what that looks like. And for my smile lines, because sometimes they just peep through too much, I use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in dark. Okay, the primer that I have on my face, I'm doing this all backwards because I feel confined being in this corner, but I think this will work for a little while. The Shiseido Ibuki Smart Filtering Smoother. And let's see, the blush that I am using. I told you once before that I like to use my single blushes and put them in compacts like this. So this is the blush that I'm using. It is a La Femme blush and it is called Grape. And that's what that looks like. The highlight that I have on my face today is MAC Whisper of Guilt. And that looks like that. The concealer that I have on is the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Eraser, and that is in the color Hazelnut. It is just a tad bit too red. However, what I noticed was if my foundation is looking like it's making me look like one tone, this concealer helps me to correct that. So we have that. What else? My brows. I am using the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in Auburn. On my lashes, I'm using the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara in black. I do like how that works. And now we're going to get to the eyes. So for my eyes, my base is the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And then I use my Mineralized Skin Finish once again to set that. It's to give me my skin tone base. And then I went in with one palette. I was shocked. One palette. Now, I received some love mail. I will be doing a video on that soon. But there was one item in there that when I opened it up, I was shocked that it was every single color that I had on my nails. And this is the BH Cosmetics Modern Neutrals To Go 6-color eyeshadow palette. That is the box that it comes in. And this is what the palette looks like. So let me get that open and show you all of the colors. It was amazing that it had the blue, a lighter blue, let's see, a gray that kind of matches my nail here, the pinks that I needed, a lighter pink, and this is like a taupey brown. I mean, I was shocked. It was meant to be. And this is all that I have on my eyes. So let me take my glasses off again and zoom you in one more time. Okay, so for the transition color, I used the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. The first color that I put down was this pink that you see here. Is it? No. This pink right here in the middle. It's kind of a little bit of a light mauve, but it worked, and so I put that in my transition. And then I used this brown to go over the transition as well. I wanted to do like a halo eye, so what I did was I took this blue that you see here and I put it on the outer perimeter and the inner perimeter and just blended it out as much as I could. It is a darker color, so it's a little harder to blend, but I just kept that brush going and going. So from there, I used my NYX glitter glue, and that's what that looks like. I applied that to the center of my eye, and then I took the brighter pink and I put that in the center of my eye, which you should be able to see. I thought it was beautiful. I really, really love that. To blend those colors together, I used this color in the middle, which is more like a soft gray. I probably called it green because in the camera that's what it looks like, but it is a soft gray. I used that to blend the blue and the pink together and make it be as symmetrical as I possibly could, but I was just glad that it matched my nails. And I used every single color in this palette on my eyes. So excited for that. For the lower lash line, I use my NYX pencil in the color Electric Blue. And then I smudged it out with that dark blue that you see right there. I use that to smudge it under the lower lash line. And I also use that brown right here, that taupey brown in the top, to give me a little bit of gold for my brow bone highlight. I went and I picked up this MAC. This is called Here Comes Joy. It's a face enhancer. And I thought that this would be the perfect color to use to give me some of that shiny effect that I needed for the rhinestones that I had. And let's see. Because the pinks was kind of a little bit glittery, I picked out this MAC pigment. It is white that flashes pink. It didn't quite give me the glitter effect that I thought it would, but it did brighten up the pink so that you could see it a whole lot more. On my lips, I picked out the MAC, what is this? The Grand Illusions lipstick in Lunar Module. Now this is blue with reflex of purple. This is probably a bad thing because it's probably going to be on my teeth. But I thought that this worked really nice. It let me have the blue. It let me have some of the pink, even though it was kind of purple. And so far, so good. I really enjoyed how it looked. So one more time, you know we got to zoom in a whole bunch of times on these videos. Take these glasses off. I'll just move them. This is the eye look and my nails. I am loving how that looks. Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Let me know if you are enjoying these videos because I am loving to do them. This is episode 4. Possibly in my next video, I will announce my secret giveaway winner. If you've been watching my videos, you would know that this entire year I will be doing secret giveaway videos, and I may not even say it in the video. It just may be something that pops up on the screen. So definitely watch the videos from the beginning to end to see how you can enter. I usually have 1 to 3 winners because sometimes it's hard just to give to one person. Everything will always be items that I love, and yes, I will be choosing the winners, and I will not choose the same person every single time. To all be blessed, wear your makeup, save your money, practice with your nails and makeup, and NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.